Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to create a 1 to 10 multiplication table using two methods in Excel VBA. I call these methods row by row method and column by column method. There's a fine distinction between of these methods. In our code, I replaced only row index with column index and column index with row index. If you have any question for us about this video, please don't hesitate to contact us. Send your question to our official mail address or leave a comment below on this video. We really appreciate your opinions. If you like this video, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share this video with others. Enjoy watching this video.